ഹായ് എവ്രി വൺ, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു വർഷങ്ങളായി PSC എക്സാമിന് വേണ്ടി പരിശ്രമിക്കുന്ന ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികളാണോ നിങ്ങൾ? വൈക്കം സത്യാഗ്രഹം നടന്ന വർഷം, അദ്വൈതാശ്രമം ആര് രൂപീകരിച്ചു? ആര്യ സമാജത്തിൻ്റെ സ്ഥാപകനാര്? സ്ഥാപിതമായ വർഷങ്ങൾ, ഓരോ ജില്ലയെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ, ഇങ്ങനെ കോടാനുകോടി PSC ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ഓർത്തു വെക്കാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നവരാണോ നിങ്ങൾ? ഇതിനൊക്കെ എന്തെങ്കിലും എളുപ്പവഴി ഉണ്ടോ എന്ന് ചിന്തിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളവരാണോ നിങ്ങൾ? ഇഫ് സോ, welcome to our next video. Let's learn with School 5. In which year Kerala was formed as an Indian state? 1956. Which is the national animal of Kerala? Elephant. Total number of districts in Kerala? 14. Which is the largest district by area wise in Kerala? Idiki. Which is the smallest district by area wise in Kerala? Alappuzha. Which is the highest populated district in Kerala? Malappuram. Which is the longest river in Kerala? Periyar. Largest lake in Kerala? Vembanad Lake. In which year for the first time Vasco da Gama reached Kozhikode in Kerala? 1498. Who is the first chief minister of Kerala? EMS Namboodiripad. Which is the first dynasty that ruled Kerala? Chera dynasty. The Kerala High Court was established in the year 1956. Who wrote the Malayalam novel named Indulekha? Chandu Menon. Who is the first person to receive Arjuna Award from Kerala? T.C. Yohanan. Who is known as the father of political movement in modern Travancore? G. Parameshwaran Pilla. The Malayalam University in Kerala is situated in Malappuram. The first sculpture city in Kerala? Kozhikode. Who was the first governor of Kerala? B. Ramakrishna Rao. Who was the first chief justice of Kerala? K.T. Koshi. Total number of representatives in Kerala Legislative Assembly is 140. Which is the major exporters of cashew in Kerala? Kollam. The first Malayalam film in India is Vikatakumaran. And do subscribe this, like and share, and do watch this. Bye.